It's me, Mario!
Salem County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bridgeton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Vineland, Millville, Bridgeton, Hamilton, Weena, Weymouth, Newfield, Greenwich, Shiloh, Victory Lakes, Olivet, Malaga, Fairton, Chadarville, Niffa, Seabrook Farms, Monroe Township, South Vineland, Rosenhain, and Franklinville. This includes Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 21 and 29. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem.
Blind, seen statues waiting.
Effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: the District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland: Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Calvert, Carroll, Frederick, Howard, Kent, Montgomery, Prince George's, and Talbot, and the Maryland City of Baltimore, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams and the following: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to Northeast Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from Northeast to Drum Point, Maryland; Patapsco River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Choptank River, and Pawtuxet River. Remember, a severe thunderstorm means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the water area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to your weather radio, commercial radio, television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Birdsboro or near Reading, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Reading, Pottstown, Birdsboro, Bechtelsville, Gilbertsville, Chadarville, Stowe, Boyertown, Mount Penn, St. Lawrence, Pottscroft, Lorraine, South Pottstown, Leafin, Amity Gardens, Sanatoga, Kenilworth, Flying Hills, and Halfway House. This includes Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 6 and 11. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery.
Ballistic.
Tolleyville, Landenberg, Wilmington Manor, Pike Creek, Campbellsville, Hockeson, Ashland, Avondale, Bellefonte, Ardentown, and Ardencroft. This includes Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 6 and 20. To repeat, a tornado has been confirmed. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: Chester, Pennsylvania, and Newcastle, Delaware.
I'll tell you what to
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, and in Sussex, and the following counties: in Maryland, Carolina,